Alright, so man, here we got a 2015 Buick Encore. Don't mind the mess. It's all beat up and disgusting inside. On the right side of the column, on the shifter, you can see a cover that goes here, and then you pop it off, and you see that button right in the middle. Push it down, squeeze the button, and you get it into neutral. Alright, thanks for watching the video. Please give a thumbs up, like the video, subscribe to the channel, share with your friends, co-workers. Thanks.